Congratulations on your purchase of your new Lourdes Hydrofix Premium Edition. In this video, we will explain how to put on the cannula for an inhalation session. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for additional instructional videos. A cannula consists of some basic parts: nasal prongs, which enter the nose, and a slide which tightens the cannula against the head. To put on the cannula, first insert the nasal prongs into your nose. Then, wrap the tubing around the ears. And finally, tighten the slide underneath the chin. This is the method we recommend at Holy Hydrogen. Putting on a cannula is simple, but you should make sure to do it properly to ensure maximum efficiency and safety. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoy your new Lourdes Hydrofix Premium Edition. And don't forget that we have other instructional videos on our YouTube channel teaching you how to care for and maintain your machine so that it will last for many years to come.